Zcash is set to increase 9.1% by July 9, according to 30 rates. Before diving deeper, let's scan today's price flow. According to the latest numbers, Zcash is up 4.8% today and is holding around $474.81. Now it's time for the analyst's takes. 30 rates projects a path to $518 by July 9th, an estimated 9.1% increase. CoinLore puts the target for Zcash at $504.68, about 6.3% above current value. According to CoinDataFlow, it might move upward toward $496.42, around 4.6% higher. A different prediction by CoinPriceForecast expects Zcash to reach $483, an estimated gain of 1.7%. And lastly, Crypto Predictions believes in a fall to $429.06 by July 9. That's 9.6% below now. This is the most rewarding projection. That covers all 5 projections. Let's keep exploring. Here's how the 5 forecasts translate into numbers and probabilities. Looking across the forecasts from each market expert, the price may shift anywhere between a decline of 9.6% and a gain of 9.1%, depending on the analyst. Looking at the numbers, Crypto Predictions comes out on top with 9.6% boost in value by tomorrow. Put simply, you could come away with between $17 and $96 for every $1,000 you invest. When factoring in volatility, CoinPriceForecast's forecast indicates the most likely price change with a 96.4% probability. By putting all the forecasts side by side, I've drawn up a consensus view. According to the consensus, Zcash could increase toward $486.23, up roughly 2.4%. Now, let's go through the numbers. The consensus outlook indicates a 2.4% rise in price by tomorrow. And by that same proportion, your capital would also reflect an increase. On a 1,000 example, the move could potentially translate into about $24 gained. This consensus view is linked to a chance of about 94.9% of materializing. Right now, let's look at how analysts expect the price to move over the next 3 days. 30 rates expects the chart to lean bullish over this horizon. A move higher is meanwhile suggested by CoinLore. Likewise, CoinDataFlow expects strength on the upside. According to CoinPriceForecast, the short-term direction similarly points upward. Crypto Predictions anticipates downward movement in the near term. Bringing all perspectives together, the consensus shows an upward trajectory for Zcash over the next 3 days. In summary, most forecasts align on a bullish view, suggesting Zcash could continue trending higher in the near term. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts appeared online. Let's check how they compared with yesterday's price. Ultimately, the market closed near $483.25. Yesterday's results showed that most predictions were right about the direction. The closest prediction came from CoinCodex. Time to sort through the results. The actual trading range included 4 forecasts. When it comes to ROI, a few forecasts ended positive, with the top result at 3.5%. Here's the results overview, a compact comparison of every forecast. In the final stats, 30 rates posted 1% ROI and accuracy. Look through the results and figure out who did the best job. Here's a quick visual of tomorrow's forecasted returns showing Zcash compared with the rest of the market. Zcash comes in at 3rd place, while Dogecoin displays forecasted profitability of 4.7%. Here you can see Zcash compared with 4 random cryptocurrencies. You can find more forecasts and updates on my website. You've watched it all, thank you. If you found it useful, drop a like before you leave. Talk soon.